Go into your working folder and open up threadingtext.ai. Let's talk about something that's actually pretty easy to do, to be honest with you, but it's kind of important to know you can do it, and that's threading text between separate containers. Now we've got some text on the left, and we have the dreaded little plus sign down here, which basically means offset text. There is more text in here than can be displayed. If you try to print, it will warn you. Now our options might be to reduce the amount of text. I've had editors actually ask me to do that for magazine articles where they only have so much room. And they say, well, Andy, you got to take out this or you got to take out a paragraph. You decide what you want to take out, but we have to reduce it by X. And that's all right. But let's say we don't have that problem because we have more space over here. Now, there are a couple of ways that we can accomplish this. One would be the way we have it now. There is no container over there to put it in, but that's no problem. Click in that box right here, and you get a type gun. Now click and drag over here to define the area that the offset text is going to go into, and there you go. It's over there. Now if I come over here to prove a point and pick up my type tool, I did that by double-clicking, and you can see it flows. But that's not all. Let's do this. Go back to our selection tool and scrunch this area up. Make sure you only have that one box selected. And let's go up to about here. All right, why'd I do that? Well, I need a photograph over here, and I want the rest of the text to flow here. I need another box. You can keep this up all day long. Click here again, and come about here, and drag like that. Now, although the boxes are connected, deleting a box doesn't delete the text. So if I come up to this one, which is in the middle, and delete it, the text then went from this one directly to this one. So if I pull this box up here again, well, we're kind of back to where we started. Text flowing through threading. Now let's say, while we're here, that you want the box that's over there, but you don't want to connect it to the box that's over on the left. You don't want to delete the box and make a new box and just don't thread them. Do this. Double click right here in that box. You've broken the thread. Now this one has a problem again because we have the overset or offset text, but this one is a standalone text box. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and get rid of this one. What if you already have a box over there that you want to use? And let's do that. Let's pick up actually one of our shapes, like maybe a rounded rectangle, and come over here and begin drawing. Now, don't forget the up and down arrow keys while you're drawing control the edges, and the left and right arrow keys go from minimum to maximum. And let's go maximum just so we can see something going on here. And we want the text to go into that shape, which at this point is not for text. Doesn't matter. Pick up your selection tool. Come down here and click on that little button and come in here and click. Same thing happens. It doesn't matter if you make the box from scratch. It doesn't matter if you have something existing in the form of a shape that you want to use. Threading text is an excellent way to break a document up and maybe intersperse it with images or whatever you want to do.